Hey everybody, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be tackling a Samsung dishwasher that appears to be having an error with an auto and heavy button flashing. Apparently this means that it is not draining properly. So let's get started. Alright, so as you can see in the dishwasher here we have, I don't know, maybe 1.5 inches of standing water. The fastest way to get the water out of here is going to be to use a shop vac. So we'll get started. So if you're using a shop vac, just make sure that you have it set up for water. You don't want to be using the typical dry filters when you're putting a bunch of water into it. But I can put up a separate video of going over that later. Alright, as you can see there's a whole bunch of different screws here. So we'll get started with taking them out. Seems to be some sort of sludge in there, not sure what that's about. So all those screws came out, this filter lifted off, and underneath that there was a bunch of sludge, I guess, and then this bottom apparatus here now lifts off, and there's a lot more material than under there that looks like it needs to come out. So I'll get to work on scooping a lot of that debris out of there and see how we look. The bottom of this seems to be pretty clean. So. Alright, we're taking out the impeller. It seems to be pretty well clogged up. There's debris inside the impeller itself. Start throwing some of this away. So you can imagine it does not smell very pleasant. This is what the impeller sits in here, spins, and then pressurizes the water. Vacuum that out real quick. Alright, well, I managed to take a lot of it apart and clean a good bit of it out. I don't see any other further obvious obstructions other than the material that was vacuumed out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and try to put this all back together, and we'll see how it works. All right, hopefully that fixes it. We'll see how it works.